All right, today we're going to bring a mirror for your bathroom. Now included, they give you the actual tools to hang it on the wall, either if you have drywall or actually wood. Here's the actual mount that you need to drill into, so you could grab onto the actual edges. If you get to see, it's going to grab onto the edges and it should be hanging. Now, what I like about this, that the modules in the back of the mirror, so controlling the lighting, and then you can run this through the actual system, so you don't have to see any cable through the actual system or it's going to bother it. It's going to be flush, so that's what it is for. So it could be flush. We're going to plug it in too and test it out and see how beautiful it looks. So let's go ahead and set it up. All right, so I have the mount already. It's well secure in here. We're going to go ahead and make sure it grabs onto it. So you could use 2 people if you want, but today it's just gonna be me. Okay. There we go. All right, now that we mounted the glass, the actual mirror, there's a couple of features you'll be aware. I'm going to show you a couple of things. So here is your off and on button. Off and on. The outside lighting. Off completely, on light, off light, on light. So you have a couple of different frequency. Now let's go ahead and change the tone of the light. 1 tone, 2, 3, and it goes back to normal, back to the same one. So there's 3 tones. So my favorite is this one, and then this one right here, if you turn it on, it's for heating up, so it won't fog up. All right, so this actually controls the actual system that it won't fog up. It heats up a little bit, so any fog or anything, it's gonna go away. So turn it off because it heats up. You don't want to make sure you turn it. It turns off after a couple minutes too. Lighting on the outside, beautiful LED light. Lighting from the top, the bottom. Controlling of the modules right here. You got your power, your different light frequencies, and then you got your steam in case you have a steamer. If you have a bathroom that has a lot of steam, it will get rid of the steam. Fog proof, that's pretty much what it is. But beautiful, elegant mirror. There's the outside light. We just turned off the outside light, if you guys can see. This is the only light we have in here. Turn on it on. Now we turn off the mirror light, and we only have the actual light here on the side. And then one more time. Turn off everything completely. Turn it back on. Very simple, easy to install. I hope you guys enjoy the video.